Okay, in this video we're just going to look at changing some of the default password policies in Windows Server 2016. So to do this, if you just click on the start bar and go to Server Manager, it's already open here for me. Then I want to go to Tools and I want to go to Group Policy Management. Okay, so here you should have a bunch of domains if you've got more than one. For me, mine's just benscott.local. So if I right click on that, the default domain policy, and click Edit, and then I want to go into Computer Configuration, Policies, Windows Settings, expand, and then Security Settings. So expand this so you can see it. And then I want account policies and password policy. Okay, so here you can see there's a number of default password policies. So this is what Windows Server 2016 has you do by default. So we're just going to need to change some of these. So you can enforce password history, maximum password age, minimum password length, and then enable password complexity requirements. So some of these I'm going to keep, some I'm going to change. For example, complexity requirements, if you click on it, it does give you an explanation of what is what. So it needs to include all of these things, non-characters, capital letters, etc. And it does that for all of them. So I'm going to keep that because that's important. Now, enforce password history. So this is a maximum number of 24 passwords remembered, so that the user cannot have the same password within 24 different password changes. So I think that's going to be a little bit excessive, so I'm going to change that to 12 and click apply. And then the other one I'm going to change is the maximum password age. So 42 days, I'm going to change that to 30 days to be a bit more secure. So sort of a monthly thing that they're going to change the password, and they're going to need to have the password for at least 1 day before they change it. And the minimum password length, I'm going to change that to 8. Okay, so I'm quite happy with that password policy now. By all means, for whatever business or type of scenario you're in, you may need to have different rules applied to your domain.